Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for not posting videos as often as I usually do, but I do have to sort out some stuff in my life, some personal things, which will end next week on Friday. From there, I will post more videos. But when I see something which I don't like, for example on Twitter, then I raise my voice as usual, and that is going to happen today as well, because we need to talk about the market, about Bitcoin, about what is happening, and why the Moon Boys came out from their cavern, let's say, and started to say that, okay, this is going to be a V-shape recovery. Also, we are going to pick the winner for the StepN Activation Code for the application, which was on Twitter. Only 5 people retweeted, and Twitter Picker wouldn't let me to use it because it has to have at least 10 retweets. Therefore, we are going to use this hat, and we are going to do this traditionally. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you what is my progress with the spreadsheet which I'm preparing for the bear market, with a couple of indicators, maybe with potential profits, so on, so on. So we will talk about that. And if you don't like anything, if you have any comments or you want to add anything, just feel free to comment. And yeah, press the subscribe button and like button. You know the drill. Let's start with the Bitcoin chart. It is above 30,000, and now everyone is saying that, okay, we are going to go up from here, because this was a black swan event similar which happened at the beginning of the pandemic, and from now everything will just go up. Now I have a couple of reservations about that, and for the simple fact, the chart doesn't look like it wants to go up. Now for me it is very simple. If it is a higher low and a higher high, the trend is reversed, it is going back. At this moment here, we cannot say that, and we could say that, hey, we have a very low low at the 24,000s, and now we have another low at the 28,000 something, and we had a big buy off here. Yes, but this was mostly in shock. Okay, the market was shocked here, and many people just bought the dip so they could sell here, which they did. And even though the price didn't return to the 24,000, right now I think it is still in distribution, redistribution, and it is some kind of a correction which could end up going lower. Now, as I said many times, I think for me the bottom will be around 20,000. That is the all-time high of the previous bull run. Therefore, we have a lot of support there. But until we go there, some time will pass by, and we need to check a lot of things, a lot of other things as well, because Bitcoin is not solitary. Let's say Bitcoin is not acting alone, and it is moving with the market. Now, for that, for example, the S&P 500 just put in a double bottom, which could be a reversal. However, these two candlesticks on the daily, this was the 4 hour, on the daily, this candlestick doesn't give me much confidence. The reason is that this candlestick shows that the market doesn't know where to go. Yes, there was a big sell-off, people started to buy, but also to sell, meaning that I don't have confidence in the reversal. We will see in the upcoming days how it will react, if it's going to go up and maybe confirm, and that could pull the crypto market higher up as well. But as it stands right now, I don't think that we are gonna go up from here, and we could see the same thing here as well, with some correction and then down again. Now the Bitcoin dominance, which is very important, is increasing, and let me just go there on the chart. Is it at around 45% already, and it broke this downward trend. Now I know that you all look at it as trading analysis and it's bullshit, but we have to understand that the candlesticks and the patterns, they are buyers and sellers, and since the pattern, the downward pattern or trend in the Bitcoin dominance was broken, it means that people started to put back money in Bitcoin. This could mean for some time that the altcoins will go lower and lower again. Now, if the price recovers to the 35,000, for example, on Bitcoin, and this dominance will start to fall again, here somewhere, I don't know, to the 40, 41, 42, then we could see some pump in the altcoins, but only if Bitcoin doesn't crash. So we would need a decrease in the dominance and a continuous sideways movement on the Bitcoin's price. For me, this is still a bear market. I will be honest with you, I don't want to scare anyone. I don't expect a reversal or a new all-time high until maybe the next halving. Some say that at the end of the year we will have a new all-time high in Bitcoin. I hope they are right, because I still have some crypto. I mean, I have a lot of crypto which I didn't sell, and I would take some profits. You could see my my CoinGecko portfolio, I mean my Uniswap portfolio, which is pretty much in red, so I would like to take some profit from there. However, I'm not too worried. I can wait until the next halving. So if we make another all-time high this year after everything but happened, then I think that will just somehow restructure the cycles, and I don't know if we will see again another 4-year cycle, but we will see about that. At this moment I am bearish, sorry for saying that, but this is what I think. I think we will go lower, and we will see some very big, even bigger discounts than what we have right now. Now I want to add here that Ethereum is above the 2000, it is battling, but it is still in this downtrend. Elrond obviously is holding the 9091, which is, I think it's great. I don't think that this is too bad, and it is visible that the staking percentage is increasing. People are buying Elrond and staking it, so the community still has a lot of trust in the team, in the project, and that is very nice to see, and also very important, obviously. One thing which I wanted to share with you, the Ethereum devs said that the merge from proof of work to proof of stake will probably happen in August if everything goes to plan. Now we know that many times nothing goes according to the plan, so I would say that if they prognose on August, if we get it next year June, that will be nice. I also want to see Ethereum to grow, because I still have some Ethereum. I'm not going to sell Ethereum until it reaches the 10, 15, 20,000. I think that is something which is realistic to expect, but I don't think that it will happen this year. Therefore, yeah, we will need to wait. One shout out to ZPAY. It is listed on Bearmarket now. This is the second centralized exchange. ZPAY and USDT pairs are active, so everyone who doesn't have elrond wallet or Maiar or whatever they use, then on Bearmarket they can buy ZPAY. Obviously this is exposure to the wider community, to more people, and that will eventually push the price up for the ZPAY token, so very good for them. For me, this is not the important part. For me, the important part is that even after a big crash, a big decrease in the price, because ZPAY is now at around 0.4, 0.5, somewhere there from the 1.8, they are just sticking to their plan, to their roadmap, and they are just putting in the work and the effort, and that is the most important in these times. So very happy to see that Edward and his team are doing that what they promised, and yeah, keep it on, because we keep accumulating. Okay, let's go forward and see who won the activation code for the StepN application. And since I have only 5 retweets, so I just close it for a second. So what you needed to do is like and retweet. Everybody who retweeted it also liked it, but not everyone retweeted it who liked it. So we have 5 retweets, and I will choose from here, from these 5 people. Some of them probably are familiar for you, but let's just see. So I'm gonna use this hat. Okay, this is my winter hat, and as you can see, let's go from top to bottom. So Adrian. And here is the, I hope it's visible, so I'm just gonna fold it and put it there. And the next one is Vacant. We know Vacant with the NFTs. Is it visible? It's right there. Yeah, it is. Okay, my camera is focusing very slow. Okay, we have Mr. Red Crypto, very big Elrond fan, and I'm just gonna put it in the hat. Next one is Danny, not sure how to pronounce it right, but you see it, and he's there. And the last one, but at least Mr. Butakain or Butakain. Sorry for mispronouncing your name, but your name is in the hat, and I'm just gonna nicely shake it. I'm not gonna edit this video at this point, so you can see that I'm not cheating. I mean, I don't even know why would I cheat. I will just close my eyes. Did I pick one? Yes, I picked one, and that is Vacant. ZPAY 1 is the winner. Can you see, is it visible? Yes, it's visible. So Bacon, I will send you the activation code in a DM on Twitter. Congrats, and I hope that you will use it and you will start running because it makes you healthier. I just wanted to add that since I'm running with StepN, I'm running almost every day. I just lost 4 almost 5 kilograms, so it seems that that was in plus on me. Still some kilos to lose, but yeah, it seems that it's working. I do have some stuff with my knee which I need to tend to, but overall I think it is a good exercise and a good motivation because I just hate running. It's boring for me. With StepN I have the motivation. Sorry, I'm greedy. Okay, let's move forward and check what I prepared for you. With the Excel spreadsheet, because I was thinking what should we do, what would be the best format to talk about this accumulation, this DCAing. So this is not filled out. I don't really have all the coins. I put some coins which I don't have, but I wanted to see how I could form it so we could see how much we invested or how much one invested, because I will share this Excel spreadsheet so everyone can put their coins what they want to buy. What is the actual profit and loss, and this should be updated live because I am using an add-in to the Excel spreadsheet, and that is crypto sheets. So whenever it is updating the price also changes here. As you can see here, we have this this formula or whatever, and it is taking the price live from the CoinGecko, I think CoinGecko side, or from the crypto sheet side. Doesn't matter. What is very interesting is that we will see the actual profit and loss continuously. And I said that we will have 4 categories, but I was thinking through, and maybe we will have more because there are so many coins, so many categories which we want to have in our bag, and sometimes some of them will have a bigger dip than the other, and maybe a bigger profit than the others. Therefore, yeah, I just put here we will have finance, we will have metaverse, and yeah, it's Bitcoin here, but for finance we will have something else. Metaverse, right now we have Blocktopia and Holoride, and there is one small thing. As you can see, I have a note here. The RIDE ticker is used for 3 projects, and the crypto sheets doesn't know about Holoride. Therefore, we might need to update the actual price from time to time manually. For Blocktopia, it knows the price and it can take it live. Gaming, I put here MetaStrike and Titan Arena, but I still have some gaming tokens there which I'm gonna need to fill out. We have the top 20 tokens because we will have some tokens which are more stable, much more secure, and we will want to make some accumulation there as well, just to be on the safer side. Project launchers, now this is an important or interesting part because, as you know, I am invested in 2 projects which are launchers, let's say. I mean, Firestarter is a project launchpad and LUCA token is a crowd investment. Now the thing is that both of them are risky. LUCA is a very new project, but with the very new project also comes the bigger upside, the bigger opportunity. And I made a video about it. You can see it somewhere here, or it will be at the end of the video also tagged, how you can just invest $50 and already reach the tier where you will be able to participate in one of the project IDOs, because they will just gather money from many people in one basket. They will invest as one big investors, and after they took the profits, they will just redistribute the profits to anyone with the ratio they participated with. $100, $200, $5, 1,000, whatever is the profit ratio for everyone. If you're interested, check the video and decide for yourself. Do your own research. That is the most important. You can find a link to their website in the description, also in the other video. On the other hand, with the Firestarter, as you know, I invested around 400 and something. This is the real one, so $411, which went down a bit, and now I'm in $373 loss, or unrealized loss, because I didn't sell. I have my coins locked with them. I didn't catch any whitelisting, but in the future I might want to accumulate more to increase my chances, because we know that with the IDOs you have much bigger profit ratio. You can do the 50-100x very easily even with the vested tokens. So with Firestarter I think I'm gonna keep investing, I'm gonna keep accumulating, but I will also check the team. Let's see how they are they active, are they going forward, because yeah, it's always a risk reward ratio which you need to take in consideration. I also have the new projects, let's say, and these are mostly the elrond projects where I invested. Now, as you can see, I have QWatt, Jax token, Landboard, Krogan, and Voter. This was actually for free. I think Sever sent it to me. QWatt token, I got it in pre-sale. I took the price from the Jax exchange. That is what they are asking for QWatt tokens. I put here the all-time high price, which I'm expecting maybe at the listing to be 0.5. That is a 10x, bit more than 10x. I think it's still conservative, but it also depends in what state of the market they are listing. For Jax, it is the same. And what we have here is the potential profit and the conservative profit. Now, the difference between potential profit and conservative profit is 50%. Because this one is very easy. It is just taking the how many tokens you have, how much you invest, times what it will be the price, what we are expecting to be the price, so all-time high plus 50%, and minus what you invested. The conservative profits takes in consideration only the all-time high, okay? And if I go back to the gaming, for example, we can also go to Metaverse, Blocktopia, for example. I invested around $228. I have 4,800 so on tokens. And the all-time high price, which I took from CoinGecko, is 0.17 and 80, and the actual one is 0.007. So as you can see, a lot of room to grow. And from this $200 invested, since I invested when it was quite high, the price at the moment, I would make a potential profit of which is all-time high plus 50%, $1,000, and the conservative one, $600 if I wouldn't accumulate more, but probably I will add to this bag as well. Same goes for gaming, for example, Titan Arena and MetaStrike. I will follow these projects and I will add, but this doesn't mean that I will stop here. We will check other gaming projects which I like, which I think that they will release, or they are working hard, they have a big team, for example, and big investors, and I will try to add to this price. And the thing is that for the coins which we are going to add in these times, you know, the bear market, the potential profit will be much higher because we will not have the drawdown which I have for some of them right now. And at the first page we have a summary, and that is almost the same. We have a total investment where all these invested monies are added up. And we will have the potential profit, which are the potential profits from each category added up, conservative ones, and the unrealized potential profit or loss in percentage, or the conservative one in percentage. So it is interesting to see how much money we could make if everything goes back to all-time high. For me, only with these projects, and I don't really have everything here. I think I have a quarter of it, so I don't have my Bitcoin because this is not what I have. I just put here some numbers. I have some other metaverse projects, some other gaming projects. With the elrond, sorry for the new projects, with the elrond, we don't really know what will be the Landboard and Krogan coins price, because they are not even on the other marketplaces, you know, JExchange or ESDT market. And I don't have the NFTs here. I will just put the NFTs here as well. Only with these projects, my potential profit is around 33,000. So this is what the numbers are saying right now. I expect this to go higher up to maybe double when I have all the coins. This if all the coins, all the projects will work, everything goes back to the all-time high plus 50%. Obviously, a lot of projects will disappear. Some of them will not continue in the upcoming 2, 3, 4 years. We don't know yet. Or maybe a big rally will just come and the prices will take off and we can realize. Now, I want you to remember, it's very important that if you don't take profits, this doesn't matter. It's very important, okay? So anytime you took some profits, and I will do the following. Whenever I will find a new project and I add it here, and in case in the bear market does a 2x, I will take back my capital. I will not risk. So the two objectives which I have is the following: to have as high potential and conservative profit as possible, but even more important, to have as little money invested as possible. Because right now, if MetaStrike would do 4x or 3x or something like that, so if it would double the invested price, I would just sell half of it and I just cut off my risk. So this is very important, and we will talk about this a lot of times, and we will see how it is going. Maybe it will be a longer process, but the target is not to get rich tomorrow. That would be more like a dream. The target is to get rich or richer in the upcoming 2-3 years. So I hope that it is clear for everyone. I am not selling here Ponzi schemes. Obviously, the spreadsheet and every information is totally free. Anyone can use it. I will share it after I say that, okay, this is the final form and this is how we are gonna go forward. I want your opinions. Put it in the comments, right on Discord, what you want to see in the spreadsheet, how you want to use it, and what do you think it is missing. And I think that's all for today. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I see you next time. Take care.